Did you know there is a massive secret in the YouTube animation space that no one is talking about? Let me show you exactly what I mean. If we go to YouTube right now and search for cartoon video, there is a short animated video that has pulled in an unbelievable 4.7 billion views in just about 2 years. That channel has 28.2 million subscribers, accumulated over 23 billion views, and they did it all with animated content. That is exactly why I prepared this video. I'm going to show you the exact AI tool you can use to make cartoon videos exactly like those. And the craziest part, you can generate animations up to 25 minutes long. Before we start the tutorial, look at this example on the screen. Fully animated. What you are looking at is powered by a revolutionary AI agent called Anijam AI. It covers the entire production pipeline, from the initial idea and script writing to storyboarding, character design, animation, voiceover, lip syncing, and the final video output. Think of it as the ChatGPT of animation. You simply chat with the AI and it completely automates the heavy lifting of video production for you. Welcome to Digital Prime Profit, and today we are diving deep into Anijam AI. To follow along, open up your browser and search for Anijam AI, or just use the direct link down in the description and pinned comment. Click that and you will land right on the official homepage. Because this is your first time, click the button that says Start for Free. You will see a welcome screen giving you the option to continue with Google, Apple, or email. I personally choose to continue with Google because it is the fastest and easiest way to get set up. Now pay attention to this part. The moment you create your account, they generously give you 500 free credits to start creating. And on the dashboard, there is a daily check-in button. Every single day you click that, you earn an extra 100 credits for free. That means this platform allows you to continuously build up your credits day by day. And if you use my link in the description, you can get even more. One more amazing feature you might not know. Anijam is fully optimized for mobile. On the site, you will see a QR code. Scan that with your phone, and you can instantly start creating directly from your mobile browser. And if you are on an iPhone, you can even download the Anijam app directly from the App Store. It works flawlessly. You don't need a heavy, expensive laptop to do this. Your smartphone works perfectly. Now we go to the main page where the AI assistant asks, "What story will you animate today?" This interface acts as a visual ChatGPT assistant specifically trained for video production. You literally just talk to it. I'm going to type, "I want to create a video that tells the story of Noah's Ark." Once you hit generate, this AI assistant instantly goes to work. It reads your prompt, understands the exact project you want to create, and builds a comprehensive storyboard plan. From here, it gives you a few operational modes: AI director mode, workflow mode, Oscar mode, or storyboard plan mode. You can experiment with whatever fits your workflow, but for me, I always choose the AI director mode. Next, we click on the video model settings. You will see several powerful rendering models available such as Seedance 2.0, Kling 3.0, and many more. Because we are using the free version right now, select Kling and hit confirm. For target demographics, you can choose all ages, kids, or teenagers. I am selecting all ages. For the platform, you can format for YouTube Shorts, film, or ads. We will select YouTube. For aspect ratio, you have 16:9 for standard video, 9:16 for vertical shorts. I'm choosing 16:9. For audio mode, you can select dialogue, voiceover, or music only. For a narrative story like this, I will select dialogue. Next is the duration. This is where it gets crazy. You can actually instruct the AI to generate a video up to 25 minutes long. However, since I'm making this tutorial, I'm going to decrease the duration to 0.5 minutes, which is 30 seconds. Once you have that set, click confirm. The screen will now display a full summary of your project: the details, the description, the title, the duration, the format, and the script. Everything you just customized is laid out clearly. Our next crucial step is clicking on the Style Designer. This is where the magic really starts. The AI will ask how you want to proceed. If you have a specific reference photo that has the exact look you want, you can upload it here for the AI to mimic. But if you want the AI to do all the creative heavy lifting, simply tell it to create for me, and it will automatically generate a custom style based on your prompt. Alternatively, you can click on the style library. When you open this, you will see a massive collection of incredible pre-made artistic styles. Take your time and scroll through here. There are so many amazing options. For this specific story, I am selecting the mystical escape style because it fits that ancient magical aesthetic perfectly. After selecting your style, you click on Concept Design. This brings us to the main canvas. Because of the AI Director mode, the system has automatically read our script and identified every single element that needs to be designed. It has automatically created sections for characters to design, Noah, his wife, and his 3 sons. Objects to design, the ark, the dove, and the olive branch. Location to design, the flooded earth, Mount Ararat, and the rainbow sky. Everything the story needs is right there. All you have to do is click Generate All Concepts. The AI will tell you, let me check the style references and start generating all concepts. Just sit back and watch the canvas. It will start creating the static images first. It ensures the still photos of Noah, his wife, the ark, the olive branch, and the Mount Ararat exactly right before it makes the video. Once the AI finishes generating all those beautiful concept photos, we move to the final step. Simply click on Start Video Generation. Once you click that, the video generation process officially begins. The platform handles everything seamlessly in the background. It takes just a few moments and done. Look at the screen right now. The videos are completely finished. Let's click on scene number 1. Tell me in the comments, what do you think of this quality? It is absolutely incredible. But a video isn't complete without sound. Simply click on Generate Background Music. The AI will instantly compose a custom music track that perfectly fits the mood of your scene. Once it's done, let's take a listen. As you can hear, it handles the audio just as flawlessly as the video. To really prove how versatile and powerful this AI is, let me show you one more quick example. I went back to the main visual AI assistant and typed a completely different prompt. Create a video like a cat and dog playing together in a baby cartoon. I hit confirm and the exact same process happened. First, it generated the concept photos perfectly. Then, it generated the animated video. Look at the result on the screen right now. It is smooth, high quality, and completely professional. That is exactly how easy it is to use Anijam AI for literally any idea you have in your head. So there you have it, the complete masterclass on using Anijam AI to create viral, high-quality cartoon videos from scratch. Use the link in my pinned comment to get started, and don't forget your daily check-ins to stack up those free credits. If this tutorial brought you value, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with anyone who wants to start a faceless animation channel. Let me know in the comments what story you are going to animate first. See you in the next one.